everyone, and welcome back to Gamer Bargains. On today's episode, I'm going to be covering the Raven Core, which is your ability to have a Raven wallet. So it's free, so it's one of the easiest wallets to use. Super easy to download, super easy to follow. This is gonna be a really quick video. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So we're gonna go. I'll just show you here. I've been mining Raven coin for about 5 days now, and this is how much Raven I've already accumulated. Now I know in the relatively price, it's been fluctuating. I think between like 6 and 8 cents per Raven token. So it's not much, but just imagine if that went up to 50 cents or even $1. I mean, that would be phenomenal. So that's what we're hoping for. So anyways, you come over here to ravencoin.org, which I will leave a link in the description down below for this is the Raven Coins homepage here, which you could buy Raven Coin here, and then this is their white paper if you want to go over, their whole, thing like that. I'm really not into all that. I kind of read it a little bit, but not really. And these are all the pools that everybody can use and stuff like that. I use 2 miners, so they're like the second biggest pool, so I like using them. So, and then they have a community page on like Bitcoin Talk, Discord, all kinds of stuff over here. But you come over here to wallets, and they have many different wallets. Now this is, you can do Windows, Mac, Linux, and then they even have all these other third-party ones that do work as well as a wallet. And like I said before, the only one I know that you could trade in the US is going to be Trade Ogre. And I did a test run, and it did work. It does take a little while to confirm from you sending it from Ravencore over to your Trade Ogre wallet. And then what I did was I traded, like, I just did a small, I did like 100 Raven. So traded 100 Raven for some Ethereum. So that way, you're going to have to trade it out, and then you're going to have to pull it back out to be able to get, what everyone calls fiat or real money. So, some of these guys are really into this crypto stuff, like maybe they believe it's going to happen sooner or later. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. I don't know. I believe in, real money. So money you can actually spend everywhere. So you come over to wallets, and I'm obviously using Windows. If you're using a Mac, you can use Mac. If you're using Linux, download Linux. Just click this, and I've already downloaded it. I already had it on my computer, but I did uninstall it so that way you guys could follow along. So anyways, you're just gonna come over here. You come over to Raven. You're gonna hit yes, hit next. Just a regular install like anything else would be. It'll load up. You'll hit run. Now it's gonna bring you up to here. It's gonna ask, do you want to use a default directory, or do you want to maybe have multiple drives? Maybe you want to start, somewhere off your network. It's totally up to you. You just put it wherever you want to do it. This is, it only needs, I think it was 8 gigs of data. I mean, it's nothing. So we'll just put OK. Now the issue here is you're going to have to sync up with the blockchain. So it's going to take, I think I want to say it took like 3 hours, which isn't bad. You know what I mean? Compared to when I had to sync up with Chia, it took me days. So, and I have 500 meg internet too. So yeah. So anyways, so we're going to let this load up here. We'll let it finish doing its thing. It'll take a little bit to load the block index here, but essentially your wallet is stored on the blockchain, right? All right, guys. I had a little bit of an issue. I've uninstalled Ravencore. I've done the reset option and all that stuff. Anyways, guys, I wanted you to follow me along, but it's like any other wallet. I can't get it to not forget my wallet, so I don't know what the deal is. But anyways, after you you'll be asked to do a 24-word, seed phrase, just like any other wallet. You will then, be prompted with that. So that way, it's just like any other, crypto wallet out there. You're going to have your 24-word seed phrase. You're going to want to put, copy it, take a picture with your phone, write it down, store it somewhere. Use your own security measures on that, because however secure you want it is where it, is how secure it's going to be. So other than that, that is how you set up Raven Core. It is super, super easy. I am sorry that I couldn't get it to do it, but I mean, it's essentially after you install it, you pick the directory, and then you have your 24-word seed. After that, it syncs up the headers, and all you have to do is come over here and click receive, and then you can just type, you can just make a label for it too, and then you go click request payment, right? And then it'll give you a URL, a public URL to receive Raven, and then you're done. So it's super easy to use. So yeah, I'll show you this. You just click here. We'll say, I'll make this my farm. I'll name it. And you can even put a message in there or whatever you want to use, right? And then you would and they even have these older ones too, like any other requested payment histories you put out. You can, click this and still use this old one here. So, and then you could you click copy URL or copy address, and then, you put it over, you could go over here to your Hive farm, and you could put it in your wallet, and then over here in wallets, and then you'd totally be good. Same thing with sending. You would just we're going to pay to whatever address. You can even label it. You can make it say Trade Ogre, and then you just put the amount of Raven. You want to send 100 Raven, and then you would click send. And the sending part was really fast. It only took like a couple of minutes, but Trade Ogre, it does like a bunch of confirmations. It did like 30 confirmations. So that took a little while. That took like 20 minutes. But it was at Trade Ogre, so it got there within 2 minutes. So it was pretty fast. I wonder if Trade Ogre has like their own verifying system that they do over there or whatever like that. So yeah, guys, that's how you work the Raven Core wallet, from Raven Coin. It even puts up here the current market price in relative to Bitcoin right here. It's worth 195 Satoshis. So yeah. All right, guys, that is going to be my super quick video on the Raven Core wallet. If you guys got any questions, let me know. If you guys want a certain video, put it in the comments down below. And once again, I'll have the Raven Coin homepage in the description. And once again, I'm sorry that I couldn't have you like follow along with the seed phrase and everything, but I did try. For some reason, I couldn't get it to forget my own wallet. I even reset it, I deleted it, and I still couldn't get it to do it. So not sure why that is. So yeah, anyways, the next video coming up will be how to mine Raven Coin through Hive OS. And as most of you know, I don't really use NiceHash. I don't use simple miners or anything like that. I just use Hive. That's what I use on all my machines. It's free, it's easy to use, and I just like using that. I might use simple mining if I decide to do another Raven rig, because if I get one more rig that doesn't mine to Hive on Pool for Ethereum, I'll have to pay a fee. So I may be doing a video on simple mining because I know they give you one free one. So maybe that will be in the future, and I could do a simple mining, OS tutorial. Anyways, guys, enjoy your day. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.